Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Maya.net, a powerful online platform. This website acts as a central hub, connecting you with a wealth of resources and tools. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, Maya.net offers something for everyone. The site boasts a user-friendly interface, designed for easy navigation and a seamless experience. Explore a wide range of features, from informative articles and tutorials to interactive communities and collaborative workspaces. Maya.net empowers users to expand their knowledge, connect with like-minded individuals, and enhance their skills. Discover a supportive online environment where learning and growth are prioritized. The platform constantly evolves, adding new content and features to keep you at the forefront of your field. With Maya.net, you gain access to a valuable network of experts and peers, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. Stay up to date with the latest industry trends and insights by exploring the extensive library of resources available on Maya.net. Take advantage of the opportunity to engage in discussions, share your expertise, and learn from others. Whether you're seeking to advance your career, broaden your horizons, or simply connect with fellow enthusiasts, Maya.net provides a dynamic and engaging platform to achieve your goals. So, head over to Maya.net today and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't miss out on this invaluable online resource. We highly recommend checking it out and seeing what it has to offer you. It could be just what you need to take your skills and knowledge to the next level.